In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to OneDrive, and this process should take no more than 5 minutes. Let's dive in and make sure your important documents are safely stored in the cloud. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for OneDrive, which is the personal cloud storage service offered by Microsoft. You can find it by going to the Microsoft OneDrive website. This platform allows you to access your files from just about anywhere, provided you have an internet connection. It's perfect for keeping your digital life organized and secure across multiple devices. Once you've reached the OneDrive homepage, the next step is to locate the Sign In button. It usually sits prominently on the page, so it should be easy to spot. If you're already using Microsoft services like Outlook or Office Online, your Microsoft account credentials will serve you well here. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, this is a good time to set one up, as it's crucial for accessing all the features OneDrive has to offer. After signing in, you'll find yourself at the OneDrive homepage. This is the central hub where all the stored files are easily accessible. Feel free to explore this space as it offers various options like recent files, picture galleries, and more. However, for our purposes today, we'll stick to adding a new file to your OneDrive. To do this, direct your attention to the menu options typically on the left side of the screen. Look for an option labelled New or Add. This step is where you actually begin the process of adding files to your personal cloud storage. Clicking on this will present you with a few choices. Next, you'll want to select Upload Files. This is the magic button that allows you to upload any file from your local device to the cloud. Clicking on it will prompt a File Explorer window to pop up. Here, take a moment to locate the file that you wish to upload from your computer. This could be anything from a Word document to a set of vacation photos, or even a presentation for work. Select the desired file and then hit Open to begin the upload process. In just a few seconds, your file will begin uploading to your OneDrive space. A confirmation notice might appear letting you know that your file has been successfully added, and that's it, your file is now securely stored on OneDrive, ready for you to access whenever and wherever you need it. Thank you for tuning into this quick guide on adding files to OneDrive. Feel free to explore more features and discover how OneDrive can serve your storage needs, stay organized, and keep your files safe in the cloud.